Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice and messenger call. So changing your voice on messenger call can add a fun or creative twist to your conversations. But unfortunately, Facebook Messenger doesn't have a built-in feature to change your voice during call, but you can use third-party voice changing apps or software. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So many apps allow you to modify your voice in real time during calls, and these are some of the popular options. So if you are using Android like I do, you can use a voice changer with effects, voice mode clips, or magic call. You can also use for iOS, you can use voice mode clips, call voice changer, or in call, and also magic call. So next, what you need to do is just download the voice changer application. So let's just go to the Play Store in here. I'm going to just use magic call. You can just find it and tap on install. So once the voice changer app is installed and downloaded on your phone, you can just set up it. Okay, so now the app is installing on my phone. Let's just launch the magic call app. Click on open. Okay, this one is magical. You need to agree first and just tap on continue with Google and just wait until you enter the app. Okay, so now you can just choose the voices that you want. For example, I'm going to just go with robot. You can click on the voice effect and tap on call in here, but make sure you already granted permissions for the microphone and also contacts. Here, let's just use the voice effect and tap on call. Here you can choose the one that you want to call, or you can also just choose click on try. Now it will record your video. So you can just click on this and open the messenger apps, and now you can just make the call to let it modify your voice in real time. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.